guys, my name is Elisa and I'm partnered with BeKind. I'm so fortunate that they had sent me their straightener, so that is what I'm going to do a demo on today. So while this is warming up, I'll just explain what I'm going to be doing. So clearly when you have a straightener, you use it to straighten your hair, but with this straightener, it has a round barrel, as you can see in the front, so it's really good for curling your hair. So I'm going to do a little hair tutorial on how to curl your hair with a straightener. So while that's warming up, I'm going to spray my hair with heat protectant. And I'm just going to brush it through because get it all through, you know. And then I'm just going to section my hair off in the front over here so that I can evenly distribute the curls. So I'm just going to twist it up, put it over, and I'm actually going to be using the clips that came in the set of the straightener. So, okay, my hair looks a little funky right now, but okay. So how I like to start, I'm just going to take a little piece from the front, and I'm going to take the flat iron. And I like going down with it and around, so it creates the curl that like pushes out instead of pushing in. So how I like doing it, you might not get it the first try because doing it with a curling iron is a little bit like tricky, but this curling iron is really good because, like I said, it has the round barrel. So I'm just gonna put it on a downwards angle, start from the top, and just twist my way down. And as I pull down, I'm going to twist it as well until you get to the bottom, and you might get a little stuck, which is fine. And then as you can see, it creates this really pretty curl, which I don't think you can get that curl from just like a regular like curling iron. So there are actually different ways that you could do curls with curling irons, but this is like the one way that I actually really like. There's also this way. Let's see. I'm gonna take another little piece of hair. There's also this way where you put the hair over and then you go in with it and then you kind of twist down, which also creates a curl like towards the bottom. But I kind of like these curls that have more volume like on the top as opposed to this one on the bottom. But basically any way that you do it, you can create a curl. You can, whichever way you like want to twist it, but I think this way is the best way for me and like my hair. It just takes a little practice before you get it. See? It creates nice and like flowy waves as opposed to waves that are very like tight, you know. So I'm gonna do this hair back here. What I really like about BeKind is that they all come with these little like care package things underneath your product that you order. So after this curl, I will show you what's actually in those because I thought it was so cute that they sent that with their products, just because some people might not have some of the products that are in like these little packages. Like I do not have these clips just like randomly at my house, so what comes in here are these clips, a glove so you don't burn yourself when you're doing it, a little comb to like part off your hair, some hair ties with like little beads in them, 2 clips, I have the other one, and then bobby pins, and scrunchie. So I thought that was really cool that they sent, they like put that in their packages just because not everybody has them, you know. So I'm gonna continue curling. I'm gonna take another piece. gonna twist it down because that's just how I like. And as you can see, there's a curl. See? Like, look how cute. It's like really bouncy and everything. And when I'm like creating the chunks, I always try to do like not too big of a chunk because then it's not gonna curl the way that I want it to curl. How cute. And then we're just gonna do this last piece over here. How cute does that look? And look at that. Look how easy that was compared to a curling iron. I feel like that took way shorter than a curling iron would actually take. So now I'm gonna take down this piece. Just gonna push that to the back. And I'm gonna bring this to the front. I'm gonna start from the back just because I think it's gonna be easier. And let's try a different way. Let's try this way again. Okay, yeah. See that one just kind of does it at the end. Okay. I definitely like the other way better. What I actually like about BeKind products is that they're not cheap quality, they're actually really good quality. And I feel like you can get a lot of cheap flat irons for like a good price, but they're not gonna like get you anywhere. Like this one actually heats up, it has a couple different degrees. I like just like curling them after to make sure that they like stay in their curl. But as I was saying, it comes with these different degrees. It comes with 320, 360, 390, 430, and 460, which my other straightener only goes up to 410. So I thought that was interesting because I don't think I've ever seen a straightener go up that high. And honestly, I put it on the highest setting. As you can see, it's like smoking. Just because my hair is like kind of thick. And I think that's just the best way to get it to like curl and to straighten. This might be too thick of a piece, but let's see. When I do my hair, I like how the front pieces like fold away from your head. I think that's like the look that's in right now, and I like really like it. Yep. There we go. And now this piece, I'm just gonna start up here. I'm just gonna flatten this part a little bit, because I like that look, so I flattened it. And then I'm gonna start curling. hair, like, how long did that take? 10 minutes? Compared to a curling iron, I get so critical when I do it with my curling iron just because it's, like, easier to control, I guess. And with this, it's kind of like, not that you're winging it, but it's kind of easier to wing it. But, okay. Wow, alright. That is a total upgrade from this side of my head. So we're just gonna do this side quick. And this side may be a little harder for me just because I always do this side first. So I might have to figure it out. Let's see. So I like the look where it turns away. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, that did not turn out that good. Let's try that again. Here, let's do it. Let's do the downward way. Oh, wait, that actually looks really pretty. Okay, so I think the way that I like is the downward way, just because, like, look how pretty that looks. So I think I'm just gonna do downward the whole way. And I feel like this flat iron doesn't crease your hair, which is actually really nice because a lot of flat irons crease your hair when you do it. And I want to try the other way again because I'm curious. Okay, I kind of split into two. Oh, okay, that doesn't look too bad. But yeah, if anyone is interested in buying any of these products from BeKind, they are available on Amazon. So if you just type in BeKind straightener or BeKind or just BeKind, all their products will come up, which I think is very helpful because I feel like everybody has an Amazon account. So, and if you don't have an Amazon account, you can just look us up on Google and they will take you to a link that has our products, but Amazon is the way to go. Like, wow. We need to slow-mo that because that looked amazing when that came out. Start at the root, and then I'm going to twist it back. Oh god. Twist it back. This is not going to look good, I already know. Yeah, let's not do that because it's just not going to look good. Alright, let's just keep going. Left. I'm gonna split this into two. Oh. And also what I like about these products is that they're very like chic and like slick. I feel like a lot of my straighteners that I've had in the past are very bulky, and like even my curling iron is very bulky, and this is basically a 2-in-1, which is great for people like on the go if you just want to bring one thing, if you're traveling and you just want to bring one thing. Okay, that literally took 5 minutes. Alright, what I like doing is just flipping my hair because it creates more volume. Okay. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm actually amazed. My whole head is like done. That was 15 minutes. and I feel like that usually takes so much longer with your actual hair curler. And I really love this piece right here because I like curling this part back because it kind of like, I hate when hair gets in my face, and if I could just like curl this back, it's like at my face and everything. Okay, so that concludes this demo video. This is just one of the many hairstyles that you can do with this straightener. So I just thought I would show you something a little different than actually straightening your hair, because curling your hair with a straightener is the new trend and it works very well with this straightener. So very compact, as you can see. It turns into a thing. It turns into a straightener. It turns into a compact straightener. Yep. So as I said, you can get these products on Amazon, and I would actually advise everyone to do so because look how fabulous my hair turned out. I can't wait to actually wear this out. So, yep. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.